Hello everyone, I am Raju Sharma in front of you. Now today we discuss about a electric potential to identify the equatorial position in term of electric dipole. Electric potential in equatorial position. First we draw the figure. -2 plus 2, two charges at the separated distance. P is the another point we identify to the value of electric potential in AP and BP direction. The distance from O to P is given R and the hypotenuse is R square root L square. So root R square plus L square. Because triangle OAP and other triangle OBP, that is also behave as the equilateral triangle, and we identify to the value of electric potential in equatorial position. The electric potential strength in AP and BP direction. We identify to the value of electric potential in given figure. We observe that AP and BP direction, because it will be also form the two right angle triangle OPB and OAP. The value of hypotenuse we identify by the given value, because the dipole is separated distance total 2L, but the midpoint it will be divided into two parts, OL and OB. The value of hypotenuse, because the distance from O to P is also given R, then we identify to the value of hypotenuse root R square plus L square. Therefore, the total potential P is equal to V1 cos theta plus V2 cos theta. That is the direction, because the positive charge from the away to the direction and negative charge to be moved in the direction. And the equation 1 crystallized vector V is equal to V1 cos theta plus V2 cos theta. And we identify to the value of electric potential in this term. V is equal to V1 cos theta Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square into cos theta, and another BP direction minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square into cos theta. We observe that the value is same, but the two charges are opposite, plus Q and minus Q. Then the total potential will be vector V is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square cos theta minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus L square into cos theta. Because the value will be same but the sign will be opposite, therefore the total potential in equatorial position will be Z. What is the equatorial position? The equatorial position of the electric potential in term of electric dipole because the two separated charged particles plus q and minus q at the constant distance to identify the electric dipole's terms 2l, but it will be bisect from the midpoint in two direction, and it will be OA and OB, it will be divided in equal part small n and small l, that was the separated distance. If we identify the value at the point B, then total potential, we observe it vector V is equal to V1 cos theta plus V2 cos. In the given figure, we observe that the cos theta is the generally value upon equal to base upon hypotenuse. But the total potential component in AP and BP direction V is equal to V1 cos theta plus another V2 cos theta. We observe that the two opposite charge plus Q and minus Q, therefore its value will be Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square into cos theta, and another charge is minus Q, so therefore minus Q is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R square L square into cos theta. The value are same, but the charge is opposite plus Q and minus Q, therefore the total potential of the particles will be 0. That was the concept of equatorial position of electric dipole. Now we discuss about another topic, potential energy. Potential energy. What is the potential energy? When any electric dipole is placed in electric field, if it will be carried out from infinite to the electric field, then net work done is known as the electric potential energy. We know that the relation of electric dipole in term of torque. The component T is equal to PE sin theta. Because it was the electric dipole, in the term of moment of force, we know that what is the moment of force? If the external force applied at any object, if the object is moved around their own axis, that is known as the moment of force or torque. Because in that condition we observe that that was the dipole minus Q and plus Q placed in the electric field. If it will be carried out from infinite to electric field, then it will be moved clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, and we stabilize the relation tau bar equal to P. Now both sides are, we take the value of integration, d torque is equal to PE sin theta into d theta, and stabilize the component. We taken the value pi by 2 and 0, therefore it is also known as the work done, because it will be represented dW is equal to d torque, therefore U is equal to PE minus cos theta. We take the value pi by 2 and 0, then relation to the stabilize U is equal to minus PE. We take the value cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. then component is stabilized, u is equal to minus p, because sin cos 90 is equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. Then our component is stabilized, u is equal to e. If the value change for the limit from integrated pi by 2 into 0, if the change value 0 and pi by 2, then the component is also changed. Once again we repeated this topic. What is the electric potential energy? When an electric dipole is placed in the electric field to like as the torque moment, and it will be carry from infinite to the electric field, then net work done is known as electric potential. We know that the relation of electric potential in the term of torque relation, because the torque relation tau is equal to p sin theta for the electric dipole in term of moment of flow. Then it will be stabilize the relation and we take the integration d torque is equal to p sin theta. Now sin theta to be integrate and the component will be identified, u is equal to minus p cos theta. If the value we check the pi by 2 and 0, then the value of identify u is equal to minus p cos theta. Okay students, now we meet to in our another video another day. Until then, goodbye.